Oh my god, I'm saying the day I'll go close to that bridge or even stand on that bridge, I'll freak out!
Adiah, see!
One, two, three, funk it.
My darling, I love you, 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 I love you.
Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So I'm in Lekki now. So we're going to get cake.
I'm going to pick up a cake.
We're going to pick up a cake. His sister's birthday is tomorrow.
Yeah.
We're going to get the cake now. Then when we get the cake, we're going to like get something to eat. Then I'll go film the video. And yeah, so that's just it. I don't know, today is pretty chilled. So I'm going to give you guys an update on my apartment hunting. Okay, so this is where we are ordering our food from.
Papa's Grill.
NG. Like, this is the life of a YouTuber, honey. Oh my god, it smells so nice. Ah, I'm so hungry.
2,000 years later.
Hey guys, so I'm such a bad YouTuber.
Seriously, what the fuck are you doing?
Like, stop talking with what's here. So we went to pick up a cake and I was taking pictures and I forgot to vlog. But you guys see, I didn't even show you guys how it was.
Gluten!
You guys, oh my god, today I saw the Ikoyi. Ikoyi was
Lekki
Ikoyi link bridge. Oh my god, I'm saying the day I'll go close to that bridge or even stand on that bridge, I'll freak out!
2 hours later.
Adiah, see!
Guys, I swear to you I could cry. Oh my god, I only used to see this on Skinny Girl in Transit. So happy, like I was just like here chilling and he's like, I'm passing the bridge. I'm like, yo, that shit's crazy. Yo, and I've passed the bridge now and I feel like a true Lagosian. I don't know about anybody else, but like, don't ask me because I don't care about your opinion at this
Island babe.
point in time. I don't care. Hey guys, it's your favorite house girl reporting for duty. So I'm sorry this vlog has been like all over the place really. It's either my phone is always like dead or I just forget to vlog, but I promise I'll get better at it. So I just wanted to give you guys a little apartment update. So there are people called agents, and agents take more than half of the money. So if you are looking for a place of 250, you can find a place of 250. but your initial payment will be 300. What am I saying? 300. You'll be lucky if you see 300. Let's say 350, 400. Yeah. So like the place I showed you guys in my last vlog, that place went for 320, and honestly, too expensive. So I considered getting a roommate, right? So I posted a tweet. So like a couple of people reached out to me who were also looking for, not people who already had. So I was like, okay, so time was running out because honestly my goal was March. When the roommate thing wasn't really working the way I wanted, I decided to consider a single room. So single room would basically be that I would have my own room, but I would share a kitchen and toilet. And you guys, the reason I didn't vlog that day was because I would just see pictures on the screen of what, it was so bad. It was terrible. I was just like, who's gonna stay here? It ain't gonna be. So basically a room will be like 5,000 a month. I went to a place, right? And they didn't want to take me because I'm not Yoruba. I'm like, what? Are you serious? They act like legit didn't want to take me because I'm not Yoruba. That was one place. Those ones they didn't even want me to come check the place because like they asked from Yoruba. I said no. They asked if I speak Yoruba. I said no. They said no, and I'm like, oh, okay. And then the other place we went to, I mean, the room was like this small. This is too big. It's like this small. And then the people were doing lots of shakara. They were always talking Yoruba. Like my the agents were trying to like begging, and I'm like, I'm not staying in a place where people don't want me. Like they were literally begging them for a while before they even allowed to see the place. Stupid. And I'm like, I'm not comfortable somewhere like that. Because they're like, they don't want me to bring friends over, they don't want, and then I didn't come stay in my father's house now, do you understand? That was on a Wednesday. After work, he was like, he has seen 2 places that he wants me to look at. So I went to the first place. The first place was like, it was so far. I mean, what am I saying? The second place is just as far, but like, it was like really far. And the place was still like under construction. They were still tiling, doing all that stuff. But then the second place I went to, it was pretty much done. It has like running water, prepaid meter, in toilet and bath, like toilet, bathroom, kitchen, and all that stuff inside the apartment. I met with the landlady when we went there, and then she was a bit hesitant, but I really liked her.